Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing signatures and cover. Pick quality paper and a cover board slightly larger than pages. Once done, fold groups of 4-6 sheets into signatures and press them flat to form neat spines. Make 5 to 7 evenly spaced stitch holes along each center fold with an awl so your stitching lines align. You want consistency. This ensures the book will open smoothly. Now thread a needle with linen or waxed thread and position your first signature for the kettle stitch start. You attach the first signature to the next using a kettle stitch at the head. Pass the thread through the previous loop to lock it. Once the first two are joined, continue sewing each signature with a simple link stitch or chain stitch through the same hole pattern, keeping tension even so the spine curves gently but pages lie flat. Make sure to add cords or linen tapes as supports when you plan to attach a hardcover, sewing around them as you go so the cover will glue securely later. You complete binding by trimming the spine edge if necessary and applying a thin, even coat of PVA glue to the sewn spine. Make sure glue penetrates between signatures. Then attach end papers to the first and last signatures and hinge them to the cover boards, aligning the cover so it overhangs evenly. Once set, press the book under weight and let cure overnight. If signatures shift or a section is loose, recheck hole alignment and either resew the affected signature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.